The economy is picking up, and order books are filling up as well. Companies are looking optimistically into the future, yet they learn their lessons from their previous economic crisis. Businesses want to achieve planning reliability, optimize inventory levels, and keep storage costs low, all while ensuring a high level of service by implementing a suitable inventory strategy. Do you have the right tools in place to optimize your inventory for maximum efficiency? SAP provides you with powerful add-on tools and services to get a grip around your inventory optimization project. To get a better picture what this could mean for your organization, come and join SAP together with their partners Blue Harbors and BigBite for our 2014 SAP Inventory Optimization Summit in San Francisco on March 27th and 28th. We are excited to announce that Mark Kappa, Supply Chain and Logistics Director with SAP and author of several well-known publications on SAP inventory planning and optimization, will be speaking throughout the summit. Learn during live system demos and customer success stories how SAP's inventory optimization solutions and add-on tools can be an effective method to help you discover how you can get the most out of your SAP ERP system. Only convinced by facts? Then you are just like us. Get inspired by the summit and exchange ideas with the experts. Space is limited, so please visit www.iosummit.com for more information and sign up soon.